Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to make vote poll on WhatsApp. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So, first we need to go to WhatsApp. After that, you need go to chat with our friend or group. And here you need to click on this plus. Click here and after that click poll. And here you can enter name of poll, ask question, and here you can add option. After that just click send and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.